Open the Silvair mobile app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one here. Create your first project using the button at the bottom of your screen. A project may represent an office building or a warehouse. Enter a name and tap Create. A new project will appear. Enter the listed project. Create an area with the button at the bottom of your screen. A good example of an area is a building floor. Name it, tap Create, a new area will appear. Go ahead and enter it. The smallest part of your project is a zone. It may be a room or a corridor. Tap the button at the bottom of your screen and choose the control profile. Depending on its desired control behavior, you can select occupancy sensing with daylight harvesting, simple manual control, or some other. A new zone will show up. Click on it. To add a new device to a zone, tap the button at the bottom of your screen. Using Near All slider, you can display only the nearest devices or all devices available. Select your device, check if it's flashing, and add it. Tap the Relay slider to activate relay functionality. Relay nodes can transfer mesh messages further into mesh. You can pair an Enotion switch with a node using the Enotion slider. Simply tap it and scan the QR code located at the back of a switch. Before starting to use the daylight harvesting feature, you have to calibrate your ambient light sensor. Press the Calibrate button. Enter the measured lux level under your light sensor. If it's too dark, you may use Light Level slider. Use the Daylight Controller slider in case of unexpected light behavior, such as frequent on and offs or oscillation. If standard control profiles do not match your expectations, you can customize them. Simply enter the Settings tab and tap the Customize button. You may change the light levels, you may change timeouts, you can press the Apply to Zone button. Devices in this zone will configure these settings. Press Configure button for Scene A or B to apply values in these scenes. Scenes A and B can be used with the Enotion switch. After having applied all the settings, you can test it by going to the Test tab. You may check if all nodes in a zone respond to your mobile app with on and off buttons. You can also use brightness or color temperature sliders. Tap the Auto button when testing is complete to put the zone into the auto mode. Thank you for watching our mobile app commissioning guide. You can find more information in our professional training course listed below in the description.